Hi, this is Zeph from Dahua, and I want to show you these devices. I want to show you how to access them as an admin. So for instance, with face recognition and touch screen interface, how to access it as an admin is you tap and hold on the screen. So when you tap and hold, you get this option. If you are an admin who is registered in the system, you use the face option. If you are not, you just use the admin password and then you key in the password. Then you're able to access all the other menus: create person, access, attendance, communication, any other function. If I come here, check the user list and look for my name. My name is here, and change my permission to admin. The next time I try to access this device by face, it will work. So let me just tap and hold. Tap face, of course it's going to take me to the admin. So that's the power and efficiency you will get from this type. Now there's another type, this with button. We have of course this face, which you can still use the same menus, but let me focus on this one without face recognition. So you press here, you scroll here by navigating, press OK. Then I'll go to admin. If you have configured your card as an admin, you'll be able to see. If you had not, then you just scroll to admin, okay, then administrator login. Then you use the traditional keypad method where you key in the password by index key value. So let me do that. Then I change to number. It's saying change 1, so 1, okay. Then you scroll down, then you press OK. Again, you're in the menu. So that's how you access the menu, and then you can configure everything else. So I hope this is helpful to you if you are trying to configure Dahua access control, which either has a touch interface with face recognition. Of course, you can use face recognition. You can use all the other things. You can use also the password to log in. So this keypad has been designed for your convenience. In case you have any questions on this or you're stuck, let me know. Maybe in future we're going to look at other videos on how to configure the rest of the readers, the control panel, the lift controller, the open control panel, and even the other accessories. So stay tuned and keep following. In case you have any other requests, just let me know so that I can be able to assist. Thank you and have a good day.